Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. Let's start by pressing the Chrome button to wake up the screen. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the alarm icon. Find it and tap on it. And here, if you don't have any alarms, you will see the Add Alarm button, and you can tap on it. And now we can set up our alarm. First, we need to set the time on which the alarm should go off. And you can do it by swiping up and down on the hours and then minutes. So set your alarm time and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now we can check the days on which the alarm should be active. And we have every day of the week, as you can see. We can check them by tapping on the boxes next to them. And then we can also name the alarm. So we can tap on alarm name. Okay, keyboard, and now we can type in something and the name will change. And once you're done customizing your settings, tap on OK. And here we have our alarm. You can turn it on or off. You can also edit it by tapping on it, and you can change things. You can also have multiple alarms. So let's set something else like this. And you can also remove the alarm. So if you tap on one, you can tap on delete and tap on the check mark, and the alarm will be gone. Okay. And once you're done, of course, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.